Number 2, anong blessing? Humility protects you from distraction. Oh, kung ikaw pala may kababaang loob, iniingatan ka ng Panginoon at ilayo ka sa kapahamakan. Zephaniah chapter 2 verse 3. And I read, join with me as I read loudly, join with me silently. Seek the Lord, all you humble in the land, who do this just command, seek righteousness, seek ano daw po? Humility, perhaps you may be hidden from the day of anger of the Lord. Everybody say, anger of the Lord. Hala, galit si Lord sa mga proud. Sa mga hindi sumusunod sa Kanya. Galit. Bakit? Pag si Lord may sinasabihan at hindi ka sumusunod, nagmamalaki ka sa Kanya. But humility will bring shelter and protection. Pride builds judgment and harder of di ba yung kakayabangan? Nagmamatigas ang puso natin. Sabi ng word, Proverbs 16:18, that He, sabi ng Panginoon, resist the pride.